620. WISN. Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids is testing. Grand Rapids went. Fuck off, Rockford! WWF 36 didn't come in today, but it's okay. Okay, that's probably the worst Grand Rapids test I've got in a while because they just didn't come in. And I didn't even get WWF 36 today. Bad. Really bad. Going. One of these. There we go. There we go. Hey! Hey, let's go! Holy crap! The reception's so ass right now. Holy crap, this is... Jesus. These two activated. This guy did activate. This activated. These two activated. These two radios didn't. This guy activated. So, 2 radios fucked me. I don't know, but Northern Indiana tested. Emory, Calgary, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, variants have occurred on July 19th. Weather radio under local installation. We now return to regular programming. Now here is the forecast. This afternoon, cloudy. A chance of snow with areas of showers. Little or no snow. Okay, so they tested right on time. Well, no, actually they didn't. They tested at 10:28, 2 minutes early. But this guy didn't activate. this guy didn't activate, so that sucks. These two activated, this activated, this activated, these two activated, so kind of successful, but these two are just pieces of crap. Oh, there they go! There they go! There goes Kankakee! WXK24! Yeah, that's good enough. Let's go!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger.
KCC-57.
A chance of snow after midnight. Near steady temperatures in the upper 20s. Today, chance of snow 30%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40%.
Yep, there it is.
This broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are
It's okay.
station 40% or using Sunday night, mostly imperfect in the mid-20s on Monday, mostly we will now Wisconsin.
They're going. They're going.